Learned from water, to adjust yourself in every situation, in any shape, always find out your own way. Sun glows for a day, candle for hours, but good day can glow forever, so start your day with smile and useful things. You born as original with you identity, don't die as a copy, don't care if someone dain't licks you, you were not put on earth to please anyone, life is to express yourself, not to impress anyone. A correct decision can be wrong when it is taken too late. Don't miss opportunities. There are only two ways to make a competitive difference: 1. Do things better than others, 2. Do simple things differently. Not all fingers are of same length, but when they are bent, all stand in equal length. Life becomes easy when we bend and polite to some situations. Every new idea is impossible until one achieves it. Every new thought is silly until one try and believe it. If you miss an opportunity, do not cloud your eyes with tears, keep your vision clear so that you will not miss the next one. When it rains, all birds fly for shelter. But eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. Problem is common to all, but attitude makes the difference. Water is the softest thing, yet it can penetrate mountains and earth. This shows clearly the principle of softness overcoming hardness. The happiest people don't necessarily have the best of everything, they just make the best of everything they have. Don't get upset with little jerks in life, because life is like a road and problems are like speed breakers. They save us from big accidents. So enjoy the jerk and move on, that's called life. Take the first step, in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Simplest thing to live happiest life is, make your mind to be happy, find pleasure and happiness in every simple, small things you do or want to do or like to do. Do not shed tears for someone who hurts you. Don't feel sorry if you fail when you do your best. You should not be stupid to fall in love for someone who is stupid enough to fall for someone as special as you.